Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a photo booth using AI. A photo booth like picture using AI. So go to Gemini here. I'm just going to paste this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below as per usual, and I'm just going to insert an image here. I'll just use this one, and then I'm just going to press the enter. And basically it's going to take that picture and it's going to create like a photo booth style picture, photo booth. I don't know what you call it these days, but it's going to generate the image here, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. Again, I will put it in the description box down below. If you want it more grainy, you can add some grainy effects to it. Maybe like type in add grains or grainy film effect to it. I don't know, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.